but this time Fibonacci series. So we're going to look at Fibonacci series and also the function for the series. Now here's what happens. Write a function recursively to determine the Fibonacci series. Right. So the first value in the series is 0, then followed by 1. From here, what's happening is that 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13, and so on and so forth. So what's happening is that the next number, which is f of n, is being determined by fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. So here, let's say the position here, 5. For us to find 5, we have to look at position 4 and position 3, because 5 minus 1 is 4, 5 minus 2 is 3. So these two positions will give us the 5th position. Likewise, position 6, these two positions will give us position 6. So the value at position 5, which is 5, and the value at position 4, which is 3, will give us the value for position 6. That's what this formula means. You have to know that for the positions 0, the Fibonacci series at position 0 is 0, and at 1 is 1. So these are more like the boundaries, because these two are the same. Alright, so here's how the code looks like. So that part that talks about if n is 0 or n is 1, this is the part. So if you plug in 0, remember on the first position we have a 0, so it means if n is 0, it should return 0. And also if n is 1, on the 0th position we have 0, on the 1th position we have 1, right? So which means here if n is equal to 1, return n, which is 1. Now if that's not the case, then what you do is return fib of n minus 1 plus fib of n minus 2. If you want to find a value for the second position, it's going to be 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2. So which means it's going to be 1 plus 0, giving you 1. So if you want to find, let's say, 6th position, right? You're going to have 6 minus 1, 5, then 6 minus 2, 4. Remember what was on the 4th position is 3, then on the 5th position it was I think 5, right? So which means when you add 3 plus 5, it should give you 8. Let's just test that one. So we're going to have fib, I'll just say cout, fib of 6. This should give me 8, because that's what's on the 8th position, on the 6th position rather. So you should have 8. So there you have it, 8. Let me test the other one. So when I plug in 5 here, it should give me 5 as per what's in that description I gave you earlier. 5. So this proves that our code is correct. So hope you guys are loving this and hope you found this helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. And also, if you want to join us on more detailed problems and explanations, either C++ or Java, feel free to send us an email. Until then.